We'll have a quick look at my 5%ers. Trade that I'm just looking at now. And a warm welcome to one and all. For those of you not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the overgrown child that is the Scruffy Trader. And this is really just a very quick video because I was talking to the guys in the Discord earlier on this morning, and I said I would look at euro dollar after 8:30. Well, here we are. So I'll just flick this across and I shall show you what it is I'm looking at. Now I've got to be a bit careful with this because the euro is kind of middle ground. Here it is here, all right, and the US is slightly stronger, and if I look at the change of strength, the dollar's stronger and the euro's losing a little bit of ground. And on this side where I'm starting to work out biases, etc., and basically seeing the momentum in the market, I can see it's kind of gaining strength down over. However, that's not to say that there isn't a push up before it comes down. And just to give you an idea, there we are there. Sort of earlier on this morning I told them I'd be looking at Euro USD after 8:30, and if you haven't seen this before, it's just our Discord group. Post up all the charts, they'll ask various different things, like here asking if I'll do the Dow. Did the breakdown of it yesterday, we checked on it this morning and it went pretty much to where I said it would. It's a good community. But the meat and bones is here. There's loads of live streams where I go through what I do. There's the foundation that I'm working on. It's not a course as such because I don't sell courses. It's snippets of trading ideas so that you can go to market with an informed choice. All my trades, plenty of breakdowns. And then the various strategies that I do: golden eye, push, morning star, how I get out of trouble, which is scruffy madness. That definitely gets me out of trouble. And of course, the prop firms that we trade, because we are doing 5%ers in this group. If you don't know what a prop firm is, it is a company that will put the money up for you to go to market, and then there's a profit split. And I do very well with the 5%ers. After this trade, I'll show you a statement and you can see what it is that I'm building. Very, very good. So let me do the trade and then I'll come back to you. So what am I looking at? I know it looks mad, and it is. It's just fully mapped out for the week. All my levels are in play. I'm looking at it on an hours chart. Here it is here. I've got my orders in here. I've got one there, one there, and I'm looking for it to move up to roughly the tops of this section. That's the idea. Just a quick squeeze up, get some profit before it looks like it may well continue down over. Because that's a colossal drop, but any strong directional move will have a reaction because it can't do it forever. And with this, I'm expecting that reaction just to pop up a little bit. It already has. It's come down. It showed signs of a failure on this level, so I'm looking for a pop back up, just back up onto here to brush the tops, which marries in with these, and I'll be happy. Now I've already been into cable this morning, as you can see. There's my 2 orders in. It's sitting very small profits at this moment in time, small loss rather at this moment in time, but it's also a small amount of money. It's just 50p, and there you are. That's what I did out of it earlier on today. You know, now with this, all I need to achieve is 690 a day ish to hit the milestones that I'm after. But let me run the trade out, and then I'll show you the statement, and I'll kind of explain what milestones etc. are. Okay.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay, boys and girls, that's that trade complete. It got into the zone I was interested in, which was here. It's starting to pull away on the 15-minute chart, so just kill it. It's got into where I need it to be, and what it's also done has increased my balance into the home run. So what is the home run? Well, let me show you.
Are you serious?
Just pull in my statement just so you can see it fully. Okay, now I was talking about milestones etc. earlier on. What it is this here. I have to achieve 600 in order to basically get the next level of funding. Now, when I started this, it was 10,000. We're now at 501. We're on the home run. We've got to do less than $100 now to get the 40k funding. How long has it taken? Well, I've been doing this for 26 days. And within that 26 days, you've got to remember we can't trade weekends because the markets are closed. And there's also been the holidays, Christmas, etc. So I'm really pleased with how this has gone. I really am. And a little announcement at the end of this for the 5%ers as well. But as you can see, my equity curve is pretty linear, straight through. That was a live trade, no trading view or anything like that, because you'll always see people doing that. Oh, I'm trading this on TradingView. Pointless, worth fuck all.
They've done studies, you know. 60% of the time, it works every time.
Why? Because there's no skin in the game, you know. What you're seeing here is a live chart, and when you see mine, it's in the moment, and it's live, and I don't mind showing you my statements either. And here it is. So what's my hit rate with my statements? Well, if you go through the channel, you'll see I've shown them many times, and I'm pretty consistent between 80 and 90%. I'm currently running on this particular account 276 trades at 90% hit rate, but the part you want to pay attention to, which is the part that shows whether or not you are doing is profitable and sustainable, because that's the key point, sustainable, I'm running at 3.7. And it's that account, this number here, the 501 profit, is all being built, as you can see, of very small positions, 20p, 50p. The maximum I've gone to is £1, or $1 rather. And that's when I'm absolutely crucial. I know it's going to go there. But I'm quite conservative with the way that I trade. Keep your position sizes small. It allows you to sort of cushion out when things is going wrong. A little bit like what you've seen. I stage backwards as well as staging forwards. So I'll scale into a trade, I'll scale out of a trade. And it works, you know. But there you go. There's a live statement. All the deal tickets. There's hundreds of them. And there is my dashboard. You know, I do mainly trade cable, which is pound USD. But if I see something, I'll happily trade it. So there you go, guys. Now, I did say there was a little announcement, and there is, and it's a wonderful announcement, because the 5%ers, as we can see here, is now adding commodity to the platform. Now, at the moment, it's only for the boot camp and the summer plan, but it will be rolled out to the other platforms as well shortly. And it's gold and silver. Now, that is a big game changer for the prop industry, because normally it's just Forex. With the 5%ers, it was just Forex. But now you can put in commodities. That means your swing trades, if you're a swing trader, it's opening the gates for you. This is a big game changer, because I do like gold. Gold is a good barometer of the market, but it's a lovely product to swing trade as well. So well done, guys. Really pleased with that. Happy days, happy days. So there you go. I hope that's kind of inspired you a little bit. If you want to try the 5%ers and get your own funding, do go in the description below. There is a 5% discount link there for you. Or if you like the platform you've just seen, it's MT5. My preferred broker is BlackBull. If you go into the link below, you'll get free education. And if you drop a bit of money into it and do a few trades, I'll even give you some of my time free. Can't be any fairer than that, guys. And lastly, if you want to join a nice community, etc., check the Scruffy Squad out, like what I showed you earlier on, and you'll see exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis. So, a little bit of a self-plug there, but why not? Why not? I put a lot of work into this, and I love my job, and connecting with you guys makes that job so much better. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.